Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will know that how to fix USB device not recognized error on Windows 10 on Windows 11. So let's start the video. If you are guys new on my channel, please subscribe the channel. Here you can find more video related to fix for Windows 10, Windows 11 and other software. So let's start the video. The first method is right click here start button and after that click here run. And after that type here under search option control, okay, like that. And after that click here OK, and after that click here power option. If this option is not displayed here, same as it is, click here this category option, again click here large icon. After that click here power option and select this last option, click here change advanced power settings. And after that find here USB setting, click on it and select here plus icon and disable these two options. If only you see only one option here, disable it only, okay. After that click here apply and then click here OK button and close this window. And the second method is right click here start button and after that click here run and type here again control CONTROL and after that click here OK button. And after that guys click here administrative tools and find here computer management, double click on it, computer management, double click on it. And after that you can see here device manager and disk management option is displayed here. Click here device manager option and after that find here universal serial bus controller, expand it and you can see here USB 3.0 and root hub USB 3.0. right click on it, this option. You can see here Intel R USB 3.0 host controller option is displayed. So guys, after that click here this option host controller, right click on it and click here update driver and click here this option and update your driver, okay, same as it is, update your driver, okay. After that guys click here disk management option. We are going for third step, third method. Click here disk management and find your pen drive and after that you can see here your USB is displayed here, right click on it and click here change drive letter and path and after that guys change the drive letter, okay. And after that click here OK and click here yes. You can see here your driver letter gets changed here, your USB drive letter, and close this window. After that close this window and check your problem is fixed or not. After that guys restart your laptop and check your problem is fixed or not. So guys, I hope your problem is fixed here. If your problem is fixed, please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you so much.